I've been watching this AI debate in the US and thinking about what it means for the rest of us. It's about AI, politics, and a battle for control that could shape how we live with technology. There was this thing called the Big, Beautiful Bill. On the surface, it promised innovation, but buried inside, a 10-year ban on state-level AI laws. It would have silenced states, handed more control to big tech, and dangled $500 million in broadband funding as bait. But people pushed back. Civil liberties groups, lawmakers, local communities, they weren't having it. And in a rare moment of unity, the US Senate voted 99-1 to strike the ban down. That kind of thing doesn't happen often over there. Why does it matter to us in Australia? Because what happens with AI in the US doesn't stay in the US. It sets precedent, it shapes the tech, it affects global standards, and eventually our policies. And that's why we should care. Who gets to decide how we live with AI?